Hello students, my name is Himanshu and I'm going to be your trainer for the Tally Prime training. Now, Tally is basically an accounting software, but apart from accounting, we manage our inventory and payroll also has been introduced. Now, Tally software is very popular. The reason is being it is very easy to use. The latest version is Tally Prime and the official site of Tally is tallysolution.com. You can type this URL tallysolutions.com, download, and you may reach here. Now from here you can download the Tally Prime software. Here is the download option. Click over here. So Tally setup has been downloaded and there it is. Click on this. Yes. Now these are the options which are coming, so you will have to click on install. There are many updates in Tally Prime and it has been updated from Tally ERP 9 to Tally Prime. There is not so much of difference. If you are well aware of Tally ERP 9, you will not face much difference. However, this is going to guide you. So here is the option of start Tally Prime. Let me start this. So this is how it's coming. One thing I must agree, the interface looks very good. Now in this particular computer we already have Tally ERP 9 and I have installed it so that I can show you. Now here it's coming. Tally Prime will start with the following setting. Click configure to change this setting, or country accounting. Okay, I can accept this simply. Now here there are 4 options. Try it for free, educational, use license from network, reactivate existing license and activate a new license. We are going for the educational version. Now educational version does have all the feature, you need not to worry. The only difference is the changing of date. In the educational version you can give date of 1, 2 and 31st, 30 or 31st of any month. You can't use any other date apart from this. That's the only difference. All the feature will remain as it is. Okay, so this is how you need to install Tally Prime. This is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.